Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name's Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today you guys are going to learn all about what it takes to become a good crypto trader and the work that you have to put in to get to that level as well. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you are interested in trading and would like to try out the same crypto exchanges that I use on a regular basis, feel free to go ahead and check out MEXC with the link in the video description down below this video. Now, and since MEXC is not available for people in the United States to trade crypto futures on, I also have another link down there in the description to another exchange called Blowfin that is available for people in the United States as well. So guys, before I actually go ahead and start this video off, I have to get through the boring basics down first since this is a trading education video. So with that said, trading crypto is extremely risky and you could lose all your money if you're trading, if you're treating trading like a casino rather than going at it with a thorough plan and strategy. Besides that though, with crypto, kind of shook my desk there. Besides that, though, with crypto trading, the idea of earning quick gains often overshadows the actual reality of consistent profitability while trading. And while the crypto market offers all kinds of opportunities for traders, achieving actual consistent success requires more than just luck or timing, all right? Quite frankly, this is why a lot of newbie traders tend to fail. Instead of putting in the actual work to do what it actually takes and learn the things they need to learn, they instead just blindly enter trades with the hope, literally with a hope, that they'll win and that they ultimately end up eventually losing. So with that said, I've got 6 different aspects of becoming a good crypto trader that I want to share with you guys if you are serious. I'm talking about literally serious about becoming a crypto trader and taking it seriously, all right? So the first aspect is all about education and research. Why do you guys think I talk about education and trading education so much on this channel? There is a reason for it, all right? Because it actually works, okay? You have to put in the work, okay? Most successful crypto traders are constantly learning and staying informed about market trends, regulatory developments, and hot trends in the market. They also dedicate their time to researching various altcoins and charting them on a regular basis as well. So, back to what I was mentioning before, if you want to take trading seriously and be consistently profitable, you have to be willing to put in the work that it takes, okay? So the next aspect of becoming a good crypto trader is understanding risk management, okay? Consistently profitable traders understand the importance of managing risk effectively. They'll simply set strict risk-reward ratios, they'll use stop-loss orders, and diversify their portfolios to mitigate risk exposure as well. By preserving capital and minimizing losses during downtrends, they ensure longevity in the market. So at the end of the day, the goal is to protect your capital. Not capital. Why am I still saying capital? I don't know what's going on here. But anyway, at the end of the day, the goal is to protect your capital at all costs while growing it, okay? So now the next thing I've got here is discipline, which is by far the cornerstone of success in trading. Consistently profitable traders adhere to the trading strategies or to their trading strategies religiously. And they also resist temptation to chase hot tips or FOMO and maintain emotional control even during periods of market volatility. They understand that consistency leads to long-term profitability and not random sporadic gains. What does this mean exactly? I'm basically talking about the people out there who see coins like Pepe randomly pumping and they suddenly get FOMO and buy into it and try to profit from a trade. These types of people are not mature market participants, and they're certainly not traders either by any means. Good traders tend to ignore these types of pumps because of the risk, and they usually don't adhere to their long-term vision of consistently winning trades either. So you simply want to keep your head on your shoulders and stay focused on your goals instead of chasing and trying to force trades, okay? Now, this next aspect that we're going to talk about here is all about patience, because simply most people don't have any. I mean, most people in this world, they just don't have patience. But patience is an absolute virtue in crypto trading. Profitable traders typically wait for high probability trading setups and avoid impulsive decisions. And they also understand that not every trade will be a winner. Okay? They also recognize that successful trading is an absolute marathon, not a sprint, and they focus on sustainable growth rather than just quick profits. Okay? Now, another attribute that I've got here is going to be emotional intelligence, okay, which basically plays a crucial role in the overall success of your trading journey. Profitable traders typically remain very, very calm and composed when they're under pressure, and they avoid letting emotions dictate their decisions, and they maintain a rational mindset even during periods of extreme market euphoria or fear. They understand that emotional biases can cloud judgment and lead to irrational trading behavior. So the key here is to be smart and subconsciously know in your head to stay calm in potentially negative situations, all right? So the last point here that I want to talk about is going to be all about adaptability, because here's the thing. Flexibility and adaptability are key traits of consistently profitable traders. They recognize that markets are dynamic and subject to change on a regular basis, and they adjust their strategies accordingly on a regular basis as well. Whether it's adapting to new regulations, tech advancements, or shifts in market sentiment as a whole, successful traders stay ahead of the curve by embracing change rather than getting emotional and complaining about it, all right? Realistically, becoming a consistently profitable crypto trader isn't exactly hard. I mean, it's really not that hard. It just requires a combination of knowledge, discipline, patience, and emotional resilience. So, by prioritizing education, practicing effective risk management, and maintaining a disciplined approach to trading, you'll be able to increase your chances of success with crypto trading very easily. And something to remember here, there are no shortcuts to sustained profitability, all right? You really have to remember that. There are no shortcuts, so stop looking for them, okay? It takes dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to continuously learn and adapt. So you want to equip yourself with the right tools, the right mindset, literally equip yourself with the right mindset, and you'll have a much better chance at becoming a successful crypto trader, especially if you want to take it seriously. But overall here, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But before you guys leave, if you would like to and you haven't already, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks for watching.